Hello stock traders, I hope all of you are having a fantastic morning and are ready to tackle this market. And in today's video, I am going to give you levels to watch for on the SPY ETF, some different levels of support that you need to keep in mind, and a constant update on where we could be heading and what to watch for and to be prepared. And I'm also going to give you one stock that is just about to go on an absolute tear, in my opinion. And what does Mark Wahlberg have to do with it? Well, you will want to stay till the end to hear what I have to say on that. All right, well, let's get into the SPY ETF and start taking a look at. We had a nice bullish day, and if you watched yesterday's video, I talked a lot about how that 413 to 411 area was going to be very strong support, and that is indeed what happened. And so that was really nice to see. It was nice to see us bounce off right around 411.80, and that's a previous level of importance that we had hit multiple times, and that was an open gap from before that we filled in 2022. That was an open gap from way long before. So it was really nice to see that hold up yet again, where previous support is very important to watch for to give you an idea of what's a good area to enter in. Also, the end of that gap was perfectly filled, and so it was an easy long position for those that are interested in and saw the bounce on that. And so this was a very good day for most people on the stock market. And looking forward to Friday, we now have this gap up here that is looking very enticing. We'd love to see this get filled. This starts right at 418 and goes all the way up to 421. And so those will be some levels to watch for. Those will be levels of resistance. If we get past 418, we're probably taking a quick trip to 421. So that's something good to know. If you're in the market and then you see we passed that level on the SPY ETF, then you will know, okay, so there's more upside here. I could probably make some money based upon that information. Now, once we get to 421, we are going to see some levels of resistance, and so it'll be tough to get past there, but I think that eventually we will get past and up above to that 435 price target I've been talking about over and over and over again. It's really nice to see this flatten out. So it'll be interesting to see how Powell's comments go over on Friday and to see what he has to say as far as the overall market, and possibly give us a glimpse into, is there going to be additional tightening happening, and what is the Fed doing, and what is their plan going forward. All right, well, let's start talking about this stock. And Mark Wahlberg is an owner of this stock, and it has had massive insider activity. Well, what stock am I talking about? I am talking about stock FXL. Special Effects Las Vegas. No, it is F45 Training Holdings, and this stock has had big insider activity. Also, if you notice right here, we have a gap up that is pretty obvious right there. And so liking that gap to fill here right at 350. Well, that's a nice little move upstairs here. Now, I think you can get past that because there's been just some major loading kind of happening here. And so David Chen, director, continues to load day after day. We are up to 6 business days in a row of him loading shares. And so that's really kind of interesting to see. And he obviously knows something. And so I like this for a continued move upwards. We can see we got some different indicators here, commodity channel index, short-term KST, some different things here that are kind of happening with it. We've had a MACD golden cross down here. We're getting nice movements here, but overall, I think that this one's going to be a great one to get into. Looking for an entry point on this, I would feel pretty happy if I was able to get in right around 242. Would be an area I would look for an entry point. I entered this already and called this out in our Discord earlier. If you want those buy alerts earlier, then you will want to make sure and check that out. We have a link in the description down below for that. Also, please hit that most amazing and wonderful like button. Don't forget to subscribe subscribe. And if you're interested in my sell points, I give those out for absolutely free. Just follow me on Twitter. There's a link in the description down below. I wish you all the best. Quick video today, but I wanted to get this information out. And let's have a fantastic Thursday. Wish you all the best. And raythoven out.